Oh, it ain't gonna rain no mo, no mo. It ain't gonna rain no mo, no mo. How in the world can the old folks tell? It ain't gonna rain no mo. You see, I'm fun at a party.
There's an old curiosity shop. Every once in a while I go by there for the fond recollections that lie there in that old curiosity shop.
Well, I don't know what they say about March showers, but we're certainly having one today. Hi everyone, I'm Scott from the Old Curiosity Shop, and welcome to the chilly, rainy coast of the Northeast. That's right, for those of you who don't know, I broadcast from beautiful southern New Jersey, and I am about a 60-mile drive from the beautiful coastline of the state of New Jersey, the Jersey Shore. But it's certainly not feeling like a Jersey Shore day today. Let's have some coffee. Num 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 num. And it's Saturday. Now, I didn't film in the thrift store because even though it's pouring rain and it's chilly up here, you know us Yankees, we got to get out on Saturday. The stores are busy, and I kind of like to secretly film. I don't always want people to be coming up to me and seeing what I'm doing. So I don't like shoving my camera in people's faces typically, or filming when the stores are busy. Having said that, I kind of broke one of my rules. Okay, let's talk about anniversary stuff. But let me get it unwrapped first. I just couldn't help myself with this, and so I went ahead and did it anyway. I have to admit, tape noise, I really never did have a lot of luck selling anniversary pieces. I don't know about you guys, but this one was just so absolutely beautiful. Oh my word, I think this might be a Paden City piece. Well, let me show it to you. I'm not quite sure. Oh dear. Okay. Happy 40th anniversary. Beautiful ruby red glass. This is going to date from the 30s into the 40s, probably the 30s. And it does have a polished bottom here, as we can see. This is good glass. Okay, the 40th anniversary? Yeah. But isn't that beautiful? You know what you could even do at Christmas time? Put a little white doily in the middle there. Cover up the anniversary part and still serve cookies on it or something like that. It's in beautiful condition without any problems. And I just... We'll see. Now, this was taped to it. This looks a little more modern. It's beautiful as well, and it's done in gold rather than silver. So they just actually taped these two pieces together. I didn't really want this one. 40th anniversary, and it's beautifully painted on the inside. So I'll make a decision. It's probably something that I'll throw in the eBay store and just wait for someone to come along and say, I need a 40th anniversary gift. Bingo bongo. Bingo bongo.
Bingo bongo.
Now, you know I'm putting together a collection, wait a minute, of English Hobnail, or Miss America by Anchor Hocking, but mostly the English Hobnail by Westmoreland. You can mix them. This is a Westmoreland piece, this picture. Take a look at the bottom of it. And I know I've been promising you a video about the difference between the Westmoreland English Hobnail and the Anchor Hocking Miss America. We'll do it. These are essential after being in a thrift shop. Probably not an old one. There's nothing on the bottom of it, so I'm not really sure, but I couldn't pass $2.99 for the flamingo, and he wasn't broken. and he's never been repaired, so, or she, I don't know how you tell the difference between a boy and a girl flamingo. I imagine if you get close enough, you can figure it out. So there's nothing on it that says, you know, Brazil or China. If it had said Brazil or China, I wouldn't have bought it, because I would have known it would have been new. This piece here with nothing on it, boy, I wish it said Will S. George, but it doesn't. So he may or may not be. This is all one thrift shop. Now, you know how much I absolutely adore these boxes. I'm taking the prices off so you can really get to see it. And here's another beautiful one. Yeah, this would be from the 30s into the 40s. See? I love these. And we've talked so much about them on this channel before, there's no need to ramble on. Now, I'll be right back. I want to pull some price tags off because you can't really appreciate what I'm getting ready to show you. So hold on, I'll be right back. Now, take a look at these. Let's look at this one first. I bought two pieces of art. This appears to be an original watercolor. But I want you to look at how old that frame is. I can tell you that this is a frame that's going to go back to circa 1920, thereabouts. And as we move up, look, oh gosh, I hope the light isn't, look at this. I couldn't get all of the sticker off. And then it's signed down here by the artist, which... You know what I'll do? I'll take a picture and I'll insert it so that you can see it. An original watercolor behind glass, framed and signed. I don't know. A little bit of an Asian feel, maybe. 100 years old. I'll blow up the signature and see. Oh, I knew it! I knew it! By Jove, I knew it! Oh, the night was dark and dreary, and the air was full of sleet. An old man stood out in the storm, and his shoes were full of...
Oh, it ain't gonna rain no mo, no mo. It ain't gonna rain no mo, no mo. How in the world can the old folks tell? It ain't gonna rain no mo. You see, I'm fun at a party.
Woo, what a day to be home in the bed. Anyway, I've just gone to... Oh, wait a minute. Don't drip, don't drip, don't drip. Okay, I've just gone to another thrift shop. All I'm really doing, all you're going to get is from the front seat today. You know, sometimes... Okay, look. Now, you know I love me some antique Pyrex. You guys know Pyrex goes back to 1915. Did you know that Pyrex goes all the way back to 1915? This is an old one. It is a Pyrex pie pan down in its wonderful metal holder here with wooden handles. Look at those wooden handles. Okay, this is going to go way back. And in fact, when I look at the dish itself, there is an old patent pending mark on this. And I think the date on it is something like 1917, 1918. Wait till I get it home and I'll look at it a little closer. I can't remember at the moment. But this actually...
Vanilla ice cream with sour cherry sauce and iced tea. All of this menu can be prepared early in the day, including the macaroni and cheese, which need only to be reheated before dinner. And have you tried cold cauliflower? Cook the cauliflower as usual.
This actually is about 100 years old, believe it or not. Yeah, and the wooden handles are fantastic. So, ouch! I bought that. This is the day for interesting little pieces of art. I bought this one. Let me try to get the price tag off of it. This is all, as you know, fresh from the store. This is adorable, and when I blow it up, I'm going to be able to see the date on it. Oh gosh, I can't. There's no way. I know. They say, take a picture with your cell phone. Well, I know. I've done that, but I can't do it while I'm filming. I should have done it beforehand. But I didn't do it. Okay. This probably dates to about 1915 or so. I'm certain this is 100 years old. And it says, the caption is, a sudden falling off. I had to study this for a minute because I wasn't quite getting it. A sudden falling off. And then there's some small print here, probably a date, and then there's an artist there. This was probably done by an illustrator, a magazine illustrator of the day. So the little girl has lost her little dress. The bottom of her dress has fallen off, a sudden falling off. And I will blow this up. It looks like Anna, Annamoyer, Mayer or Moyer. I'm not familiar with that name. And then there is a date. There is a date below. Isn't that cute? Let's take a blow up of it so you can actually see it.